Mala lawn tennis, pero ang raketang gamit mala table tennis at ang court pang badminton. Ang mga ito pinagsama-sama para mabuo ang larong pickleball. Isang nausong sports ngayon sa Baguio City. Isa sa mga nagsusulong nito ang grupo nila Nico.
It got super popular about 5 years ago. The pandemic helped its growth because everybody was like locked in, and so what do we do? So this game was socially distanced and approved by the government here in the Philippines and in other countries.
Ang pickleball nilalaro sa court na may sukat na 20 feet by 44 feet. Maaari tong laruin ng solo o di kaya ay may kapartner. Ang target, makabuo ng 11 puntos.
It's really a combination. So you have to serve diagonally. The thing that makes pickleball extremely friendly for beginners is the serve is only underhand. So you cannot hit the serve from the side. You cannot hit it like tennis, overhand. It's only an underhand serve. The ball has to bounce once on each side before you volley it in the air. So that allows the players all to be ready as opposed to just serve ace, serve ace.
Mapabata at matanda, kayang-kaya raw itong laruin.
Nice serve.
Magaan kasi ang gamit na raketa at ang bola ay mayroon 26 hanggang 40 butas. Kaya si Nanay Connie, game na game sa paglalaro.
Talagang muscle exercise siya talaga. Leg exercise, mind exercise, lahat.
Nice.
Very good. I enjoyed since yesterday.
Taong 2019 pa nang mausong sports na pickleball sa Pilipinas. Kasabay rin ito ang pag-usbong ng mga court sa Baguio City.
It gained traction, and I think why it's so popular is because it's easy to learn. It's very friendly. Like the community that you get, or rather the community that is built as you play pickleball is just unlike any other. So the friendships that we've built, the connections, the relationships, it's very beginner friendly as well. So you come onto a court and you'll have a beginner and an advanced player, and we're all about teaching the game.
Ang pickleball ay isang paddle sports na unang nilaro taong 1975 sa Washington, United States. Taong 1984 naman nang magkaroon ng official sports rulebook ang USA Pickleball. Jose Robert Inventor para sa Luzon Headlines.